Another question for you. 24 divided by half times 2 is equal to what? Most of the people cancel 2 and 2 because it is the simplest part. So their answer will be equal to 24. But remember that it is not correct way to solve it. Now come to correct approach. We have to follow the order of operation to solve this question correctly. According to PEMDAS, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. But this question has multiplication and division. Division is at left and multiplication is at right. So as division is at left, we have to solve divide first and multiplication later, according to PEMDAS rule. So to solve this, we have another rule which is called KCF rule. K stands for keep it, so 24 is kept itself. C stands for change, so change it. Divide is changed into multiplication. And 1 by 2 is referred to FF mean flip, so we have to flip it. It would be 2 times 2. Now 24 times 2 will be equal to 48 times 2. So our answer will be equal to 96. Hope you have learned this question. Thank you for watching.